students, remember one thing, example is always more efficacious than precept. Today we will discuss chemical reactions of aryl halide. Before going to the chemical reactions, let us discuss examination oriented questions from the previous topics taught. Come to revision question number 3 at the rate Jupyter model of teaching. Question number 1, convert toluene to cyanobenzene. Question number 1, convert toluene to cyanobenzene. As the final product is cyanobenzene, so we have to convert toluene to BDC. Toluene, it is CH3 is converted to benzoic acid on KMnO4 oxidation, alkaline KMnO4 oxidation, toluene is converted to benzoic acid. This benzoic acid is converted to aniline. Aniline, when benzoic acid react with hydrazoic acid N3H in presence of concentrated sulfuric acid, this aniline again converted to BDC, benzene diazonium chloride, N2Cl, benzene diazonium chloride, BDC, when aniline react with NO2 and HCl at low temperature, ice cold temperature, it is 273 Kelvin, and BDC undergoes Sandmeyer's reaction. BDC treated with cuprous cyanide to give cyanobenzene or benzonitrile or phenyl cyanide. So this is the required steps for conversion of toluene to cyanobenzene. In this conversion, we will discuss what are the type of chemical reactions. Here, conversion of toluene to benzoic acid is known as oxidation. Eta कहते oxidation. The first conversion, toluene to benzoic acid, is known as oxidation. Conversion of benzoic acid to aniline, this conversion is your Schmitt reaction. Schmitt reaction. Conversion of aniline to BDC is known as Grease reaction or diazotization. Conversion of BDC to cyanobenzene is known as Sandmeyer's reaction. So these reactions or processes used to convert toluene to cyanobenzene. This is all about your conversion from toluene to cyanobenzene. Come to question number 2. Complete. One question is complete. Benzo trichloride react with chlorine in presence of FeCl3. Benzo trichloride undergoes electrophilic substitution reaction. Benzo trichloride. CCl3, benzo trichloride plus Cl2 in presence of FeCl3, Lewis acid or halogen carrier. It indicates the reaction is electrophilic substitution reaction. Electrophile is Cl plus chloronium ion. So what happens when benzo trichloride react with chlorine in presence of ferric chloride? What happens when benzo trichloride undergoes electrophilic substitution reaction? Students, you know benzo trichloride, due to the presence of 3 chlorine atoms, the chlorine atoms are electron withdrawing groups. एवं इलेक्ट्रॉन्स टाणी देबे सो बेंजो ट्राइक्लोराइड इज मेटा डायरेक्टिव benzo trichloride is meta directive so electrophilic substitution reaction in benzo trichloride takes place at what position the reaction takes place at meta position because benzo trichloride is meta directive meta position ekna reactions kara habo so the product is CCl3 here Cl at meta position with respect to CCl3 this is ortho position meta position para position plus HCl is the byproduct and the answer is metachloro benzo trichloride students you have to remember that due to the presence of 3 chlorine atoms due to the presence of 3 electron withdrawing groups benzo trichloride is meta directive electrophilic substitution reaction that is chlorination in presence of FeCl3 takes place at meta position of benzo trichloride to give metachloro benzo trichloride this is the discussion on question number 2 come to question number 3 question number 3 RMgBrA on reaction with H2O forms a gas B which occupies 1.4 liter per gram at NTP. What is the product C when RBr react with benzene in presence of anhydrous AlCl3? Identify A, B and C. It is numerical on the basis of structural determination. Come to question number 3. The question is RMgBr react with H2O. Number 3 RMgBr Grignard reagent plus H2O it gives RH what alkane baharibo plus MgOHBr byproduct it is an alkane. In this reaction the amount of the gas liberated is 1.4 gram. The liberated RH is 1.4 gram per liter. It means 1 liter contains 1 liter of RH is equal to 1 gram. We have to calculate the molecular mass of RH. So we have to take 22.4 liter of RH is equal to this is 1.4 gram. The question is given 1.4 gram per liter means 1 liter contains 1.4 gram. So 22.4 liter of RH contains 16 gram. So the molecular mass is 16. Molecular mass of RH is equal to 16. 16 means it is methane. Molecular mass of methane is 16. Here R is equal to CH3. So R is determined. Next come to the question. And the question is what is the product C when RBr react with benzene? Here RBr react with benzene means benzene react with CH3Br. It undergoes Friedel-Crafts alkylation in presence of AlBr3. It gives toluene. आम ये पाइबा toluene CH3 plus HBr is the byproduct. It is toluene. So according to the question, the volume is 1.4 liter per gram, means 1 gram is equivalent to 1.4 liter. 1.4 liter is equivalent to 1.4 liter is equivalent to 1 gram. On the basis of this numerical data, we can calculate the molecular mass of RH. As RH is equal to 16, so R is equal to CH3 and RBr is equal to CH3Br. It is methyl bromide. When benzene undergoes alkylation in presence of AlBr3, it gives toluene, and the reaction is known as Friedel-Crafts alkylation. So A, B, C are identified. Here A is equal to CH3MgBr. Ethi A hochi methyl magnesium bromide. CH3MgBr is A. A is equal to, A is your Grignard reagent, RMgBr. So A is equal to CH3MgBr. A is CH3MgBr. We have to identify B from the question, and B is your methane, B is your CH, B is CH4, methane is BH, B टा तुम्हारा होची methane, and C is toluene, तुम्हारा C होची toluene. So this is the numerical on the basis of word problems and structural determination. Here A is methyl bromide, B is methane, and C is toluene. Today we will discuss some chemical reactions of aryl halide. Reaction with magnesium, Davos process, reaction with ammonia and soda lime, Fittig reaction, a name reaction, Wurtz-Fittig reaction, a name reaction, Friedel-Crafts reaction, Ullmann reaction, and electrophilic substitution reaction. Now we will discuss the reaction of alkyl halide with magnesium. Reaction with magnesium. If I will take bromobenzene plus magnesium in presence of ether, it gives phenyl magnesium bromide is Grignard reagent, MgBr, phenyl magnesium bromide. So when aryl halide react with magnesium, Grignard reagent is formed. When bromobenzene react with magnesium in presence of ether, phenyl magnesium bromide or Grignard reagent is formed. We can also synthesize phenyl magnesium chloride. Formation of phenyl magnesium chloride when chlorobenzene react with magnesium in presence of THF, tetrahydrofuran, it gives phenyl magnesium chloride, and the order of reactivity of aryl halide is aryl iodide is more reactive than aryl bromide is more reactive than aryl chloride, that is iodobenzene is more reactive than bromobenzene than chlorobenzene. Next we will discuss one conversion, convert bromobenzene to BDC using Grignard reagent. One conversion is there. Bromobenzene to BDC, we have to convert bromobenzene to benzene diazonium chloride using Grignard reagent. Bromobenzene to BDC. As it is Grignard reagent, first bromobenzene will react with magnesium metal to give Grignard reagent. Then we will proceed to BDC, benzene diazonium chloride. तो प्रथम आम नहीं ब्रोमोबेंजीन. When bromobenzene react with magnesium metal in presence of ether, the product is Grignard reagent, phenyl magnesium bromide. Phenyl magnesium bromide, and this phenyl magnesium bromide when react with carbon dioxide, you know addition of carbon dioxide is known as carboxylation and adduct is formed. it gives an adduct followed by acid hydrolysis gives benzoic acid. आम ये पाइबा benzoic acid COH, it gives benzoic acid, and this benzoic acid when react with N3H hydrozoic acid in presence of concentrated sulfuric acid, the product is aniline NH2, C6H5 NH2 is aniline, and this aniline undergoes Grease reaction or diazotization in presence of NaNO2 and HCl at 0 degree centigrade gives benzene diazonium chloride. N2Cl, it is benzene diazonium chloride. By using these chemical reactions, we can convert bromobenzene to benzene diazonium chloride. But we have to look out what are the name reactions are involved in these conversions. आम देखा ये conversion कौन कौन सब name reactions use होइछ. Here bromobenzene is converted to phenyl magnesium bromide. It is Grignard reagent. Phenyl magnesium bromide is Grignard reagent. Conversion of phenyl magnesium bromide to benzoic acid is known as carboxylation. The process is known as carboxylation of Grignard reagent. Here benzoic acid is converted to aniline. You can convert benzoic acid to aniline by using Huffman-Bromamide reaction, but you can use also Schmitt reaction. In this case, this Schmitt reaction converts benzoic acid to aniline. It is your Schmitt reaction. And the process of conversion of aniline to BDC is known as Grease reaction. Grease reaction or diazotization. In this method, bromobenzene is converted to benzene diazonium chloride using Grignard reagent. Next come to one multiple choice question. Multiple choice question number 15, MCQ 15. Multiple choice question number 15. The structure of major product formed in the following reaction. What reactant देछि, and that reactant react with potassium cyanide. Identify the product. Options are given. What compound देछि ता सारे KCN मिसिबो. MCQ number 15. Here iodine is there, iodine, and also chlorine is there. Cl plus KCN. This reaction follows substitution reaction. It is a question पत्रा है it iodine टा eliminate हबो ना chlorine टा eliminate हबो. Iodine eliminate हबो नहीं because this carbon is sp2 hybridized. Here carbon iodine bond is very strong. Here the carbon is sp3 hybridized. Here the carbon chlorine bond is weak. So this chlorine is eliminated to give Cn plus KCl. In this case chlorine is eliminated. Iodine is not eliminated because the carbon iodine bond is very strong because the carbon is sp2 hybridized. So the correct option of multiple choice question number 15 is D. Option D, fourth option is the correct answer of multiple choice question number 15. Next come to question number 16. When phenyl magnesium bromide react with tertiary butanol, phenyl magnesium bromide sangre tertiary butanol मिसिले identify the product. MCQ number 16. Phenyl magnesium bromide C6H5 MgBr plus tertiary butyl alcohol CH3COH. Identify the product formed. Here also cleavage takes place at this position. It bhangi jibo. Here also the cleavage takes place at this position because this hydrogen is acidic. So the product is benzene. C6H6 is the main product. It is benzene whose answer plus byproducts are Mg CH3CO Br. So benzene is the main product. So the correct answer of multiple choice question number 16 is your benzene. So second option is correct. So when phenyl magnesium bromide react with tertiary butanol or tertiary butyl alcohol, the product is benzene. Next come to one short answer question which is 2 marks. Bromocyclohexane react with magnesium. Bromocyclohexane react with magnesium to give A. Then methyl cyanide in presence of H2O to give B. Identify A and B. The question carries 2 marks. Bromocyclohexane प्रथम magnesium संगे करिव reaction. Bromocyclohexane plus magnesium gives A, means Grignard reagent is formed, and that Grignard reagent react with methyl cyanide followed by hydrolysis to give B. Identify A and B. Bromocyclohexane plus magnesium. Short answer question number 1. Bromocyclohexane. It is cyclohexane. It is bromocyclohexane. Bromocyclohexane react with magnesium in presence of ether. It gives cyclohexyl magnesium bromide MgBr, Grignard reagent. It is A. What happens when cyclohexyl magnesium bromide react with methyl cyanide and the adduct formed undergoes hydrolysis? एठे जो बाहरला cyclohexyl magnesium bromide संगरे आमे मिसाइबा methyl cyanide. So this is cyclohexyl magnesium bromide plus methyl cyanide CH3C triple bond N. It gives an adduct. The reaction takes place at this carbon because the triple bonded carbon is very active. MgBr comes to nitrogen and triple bond is created to double bond. So the adduct is C double bond N MgBr. This is an adduct, addition product. When this adduct undergoes hydrolysis, and hydrolysis kara complete hydrolysis means it requires 2 moles of H2O. एटू भांगी जीव एटू खंड हो गला एटी भी खंड हो जीव तो एटा हो गला हमर OH2 एटा ला गोटे H2O आउट होची HOH. It is cyclohexyl C CH3 double bond N MgBr. This is adduct. How the adduct is formed? This carbon is very active carbon, so Grignard reagent alkyl part will bonded to this carbon and MgBr come to nitrogen, triple bond is converted to double bond. So this adduct undergoes hydrolysis to give a ketone. एठे मोटे ketone रे पाइबा C double bond O CH3. This is the main product, cyclohexyl methyl ketone plus it is B plus NH3 is the byproduct plus MgOHBr. It is your cyclohexyl methyl ketone. It is a ketone. So the question is identify A and B. When cyclohexyl bromide react with magnesium in presence of ether, cyclohexyl magnesium bromide is formed. This is A. And again when A react with methyl cyanide followed by hydrolysis, it gives cyclohexyl methyl ketone. It is B. A and B is identified. Come to the another question which carries also 2 marks. What happens when toluene react with sulfonyl chloride SO2Cl2 in presence of peroxide, toluene plus sulfonyl chloride SO2Cl2, and the catalyst is peroxide. Come to question number 2, SAQ question number 2. Toluene react with sulfonyl chloride SO2Cl2 in presence of peroxide. It gives benzyl chloride CH2Cl. Free radical substitution takes place at benzylic carbon. It is benzyl chloride plus SO2 plus HCl. It means when toluene react with sulfonyl chloride in presence of peroxide, benzyl chloride is formed. The reaction takes place at benzylic carbon. Next come to one name reaction, that is Dawes process. How aryl halide react with NaOH, Dawes process. Next is Dawes process. What happens when chlorobenzene react with NaOH? When chlorobenzene react with NaOH, sodium phenoxide is formed. First it will give sodium phenoxide ONA. It has sodium phenoxide, and this sodium phenoxide on acidification it gives phenol. आम ये phenol पाइबा. It means chlorobenzene is converted to phenol by Dawes process. ये chlorobenzene conversion is phenol. But परीक्षा से क्वेश्चन पचार थिबो convert benzene to phenol. If the question is convert benzene to phenol, the process of conversion is प्रथम ने benzene. Benzene undergoes chlorination, gives chlorobenzene. प्रथम ने benzene, benzene पर chlorination, gives chlorobenzene, and chlorobenzene undergoes Dawes process to give phenol. This is substitution reaction. Some conditions of substitution reactions are there. Note of Dawes process, some conditions are there. Electron withdrawing groups like NO2, Cn, SO3H and COOH, if present in orthon para position with respect to halogen atom, activate towards nucleophilic substitution reaction, and the reactivity of that aryl halide increases. It means the carbon chlorine bond becomes weakened. If the aryl halide contains electron withdrawing groups at orthon para position, the reactivity of aryl halide increases due to carbon chlorine bond is weakened. Some higher examples are there. First example is p-nitrochlorobenzene. Nitro group is there, so reactions become faster than normal chlorobenzene. Example 2 is 2,4-dinitrochlorobenzene. Due to the presence of 2,4-dinitrochlorobenzene, when it reacts with dilute NaOH, the reaction also becomes faster. And in the last example, 2,4,6-trinitrochlorobenzene, and in case of 2,4,6 trinitrochlorobenzene 3NO2 group is there, means the carbon chlorine bond is very weakened, and when it reacts with H2O it gives 2,4,6 trinitrophenol, which is known as picric acid, used as an explosive. Next come to multiple choice question number 17. Question number 17, MCQ number 17. In multiple choice question number 17, which chloro derivative of benzene among the following would undergo hydrolysis most readily, means react faster with aqueous NaOH to furnish the corresponding hydroxy compound. तले जो चार्टा ऑप्शंस देछि से पचारछि कहा संगरे NaOH मिसिले the product becomes faster, means which option will react NaOH very fast. Options are given. प्रथम ऑप्शन होछि क्लोरोबेंजीन, ऑप्शन बी होछि डाइनाइट्रोक्लोरोबेंजीन, ऑप्शन सी होछि नाइट्रोक्लोरोबेंजीन, ऑप्शन 3 होछि ट्राइमिथाइल amine chlorobenzene. In case of option B, 2 nitro group is there, but the condition of alkyl hydrolysis of chlorobenzene is the presence of electron withdrawing groups makes the reaction faster. As option B contains 2 nitro groups, 2 electron withdrawing groups, so the correct option of multiple choice question number 17 is B. Second option is correct. It is due to the presence of 2 electron withdrawing groups, NO2 groups are present. Next come to multiple choice question number 18. Arrange the following compounds in the increasing order of reactivity towards nucleophilic substitution. MCQ number 18. The तीनटा ऑप्शंस देछि, गोटे होछि क्लोरोबेंजीन, one is chlorobenzene, another is methyl chlorobenzene, methyl is electron releasing group, electron releasing group is methyl group ERG, another is dimethyl chlorobenzene, one is methyl at this position, para position, and another is at ortho position. 3 compounds are there. The question is arranged in the decreasing order of reactivity. Our substitution reaction shows that presence of electron withdrawing group increases the reactivity. Reactivity बढ़िबो due to the presence of electron withdrawing group. If electron releasing group is there, ERG, it decreases the reactivity, inversely proportional. The presence of electron releasing groups decreases the reactivity of aryl halide substitution. So due to the presence of 2 methyl groups in option 3, it is dita achi methyl group, dita achi electron releasing groups. So this is very slow reaction. It shows very slow reaction. So the order of reactivity in the increasing order is this react very fast because it is only chlorobenzene. It has no electron releasing group. So chlorobenzene react very fast than option 2, than option 3. So this is the order of reactivity. Order of reactivity towards substitution. This is decreasing order. Means chlorobenzene is more reactive. Dimethyl chlorobenzene is less reactive due to the presence of 2 electron releasing methyl groups, and in the decreasing order is 3, then 2, then 1. So this is all about your multiple choice question number 18, and the correct option is option C is correct. Third option is correct. Students, you have to remember that presence of electron withdrawing groups increases the reactivity. Presence of electron releasing groups decreases the reactivity. Come to multiple choice question number 19. Multiple choice question number 19 is your homework. तुमको होमवर्क दिया हला. the correct order of reactivity of the following compounds towards nucleophilic substitution in the following compounds are. 5टा compound ଦେଇଛି ତମେ ତାକୁ ସଜେଇବ. You have to remember that presence of electron withdrawing group increases the reactivity. Presence of electron releasing group decreases the reactivity. So multiple choice question number 19 is your homework. Our next reaction is reaction with ammonia. What happens when chlorobenzene react with ammonia in presence of copper oxide? Reaction with ammonia. Reaction with ammonia. When chlorobenzene react with ammonia in presence of copper oxide, ammonolysis takes place to give aniline. आमे पाइबा aniline plus HCl. It gives aniline. So when chlorobenzene react with ammonia in presence of copper oxide, aniline is formed. On the basis of this reaction, the question may asked in the council examination as convert benzene to aniline. परीक्षा क्वेश्चन पचराइथिबो convert benzene to aniline. प्रथम बेंजीन निया हेबो ताको क्लोरिनेशन करिकि करा हेबो chlorobenzene. When chlorobenzene react with ammonia, it gives aniline. So when chlorobenzene react with ammonia in presence of copper oxide, aniline is formed, C6H5NH2. Next come to the mechanism of ammonolysis of chlorobenzene. The mechanism of ammonolysis of chlorobenzene undergoes through benzyne mechanism. Benzyne means a triple bond is there. So look at the mechanism. समस्त mechanism को देखो. प्रथम ने है chlorobenzene. When chlorobenzene react with the sodamide, HCl is removed. गोटे HCl formation है गला by product. HCl रे गला परे गोटे नुआ के triple bond formation हैला, that is known as benzyne. When that benzyne undergoes ammonolysis, जितले बेंजाइन संगे अमोनिया मिसिला HNH2 गोटे जगह H bonding है गला, गोटे जगह bonding है गला NH2 and triple bond is converted to double bond, so it gives aniline. So the mechanism of ammonolysis of chlorobenzene undergoes benzyne mechanism and it gives aniline. Similarly, ammonolysis of p-chloro para chloronitrobenzene, गोटे नाइट्रो ग्रुप अच्छी गोटे क्लोरीन अच्छी. व्हाट हैपेंस व्हेन para nitrochlorobenzene react with ammonia and it gives para nitroaniline. Means when para chloronitrobenzene react with ammonia at 420 Kelvin, para nitroaniline is formed. This is substitution reaction. Next we will discuss multiple choice question number 20. Identify A and predict the type of reaction. Metabromoanisole. Question पचरा है metabromoanisole react with sodamide. Metabromoanisole plus sodamide. Identify the correct option. Options and name reactions are also given. Here MCQ number 20. The question given is metabromoanisole. OCH3 is anisole and metabromoanisole plus ammonia NH3. We can add NH3 or we can add also sodamide NaNH2. Identify the product. Here bromine is best leaving group. Bromine is eliminated. So the product is OCH3, here NH2 plus HBr. So this is the correct answer of multiple choice question number 20 and the correct option is option D is correct. Fourth option is correct and the reaction is strictly substitution reaction. Next come to multiple choice question number 21. More options may be correct. एथरे गोटे ऑप्शन ठीक नहीं, बहुत ऑप्शंस ठीक अच्छी. More options may be correct. Come to multiple choice question number 21. Rhenium ion involved in the bromination of aniline. आम जो ammonolysis करा होची to bromobenzene, what are the intermediate products? Aniline is orthon para-directive. You know aniline is orthon para-directive due to the presence of electron releasing NH2 group. Aniline is orthon para-directive. It is aniline देइछि. The question is aniline. It लिखा है NH2. It is MCQ number 21. Aniline is orthon para-directive. What happens when aniline react with bromine? Erinium ion involved in the bromination of aniline at what position? As aniline is orthon para-directive, so the options of question number 21 A is correct because it is ortho-bromo. Option B is also correct because it is ortho-bromo. Option C is correct, it is ortho-bromo. So more options may be correct, A, B and C, but option D is not correct, it is meta-bromo. So the answer of multiple choice question number 21, more options are A, B, C are the correct options. Come to question number 22. The product of the given reaction. गोटे कंपाउंड देइछि आमे ता संगे अमोनिया मिसेबा. मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चन नंबर 22, MCQ 22. Come to MCQ 22. सेम गोटे क्वेश्चन देइछि मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चन 20 लिखा है ब्रोमीन इज डायरेक्टली बॉन्डेड विथ बेंजीन कार्बन CBr and another is CH2Cl, another is CH2Cl. ये वाला से क्वेश्चन देइछि. It is CH2Cl and this is bromine plus we will add KCN. Any substitution reaction we can add KCN or any substitution reaction. It is Cl. If I will take this as Cl, this chlorine is eliminated. A chlorine ta palebo because this carbon is sp3 hybridized and this bonding is very strong due to the presence of sp2 carbon and bromine. This bonding is very strong, requires a high amount of energy for cleavage. So this chlorine is eliminated out. This is substitution reaction. So the correct option of multiple choice question number 22 is C option is correct. C option is correct and the reaction undergoes SN2 mechanism. SN2 substitution nucleophilic bimolecular mechanism. Here chlorine is eliminated, bromine is not eliminated because the bonding between carbon and bromine is very strong. So the correct option of multiple choice question number 22 is third option is correct. And in the last write down one homework. What homework like some question. One homework is given, structural determination, identify A to J. The question is bromobenzene react in sequence. Bromobenzene ta reactions karibo gote sequence deichi. Magnesium in presence of ether to give A. A undergoes carboxylation to give B. B पाई सारा परे that react with ammonia to give C. C on treatment with potassium hypobromite, that is your Huffman bromamide reaction to give D. Then D react with NO2 and HCl undergoes diazotization to give E. E react with CuCN, cuprous cyanide, then hydrolysis to give B. It undergoes Sandmer's reaction. B react with SOCl2 thionyl chloride in presence of palladium barium sulfate to give F and G. G react with KCN. KCN means it undergoes benzoin condensation. G undergoes benzoin condensation to give H. H को oxidation कले that will give I. And what happens when iodine undergoes Cannizzaro reaction? Internal Cannizzaro reaction gives J. So this question is your homework. Identify A to J. It is discussion kala pore. You go through the textbook. If you have any doubt, we will discuss in the next class. And in the next class, we will discuss Wurtz reaction versus Fittig reaction versus Wurtz Fittig reaction, and also some different chemical reactions. In the next class, we will discuss these chemical reactions are very important for the examination point of view, both in council pattern and also in entrance pattern. Thank you. Stay safe. कैसे में हला हैं ठीक है एटा अल्प तो थिला एटा अल्प